On everybody, it's been a long time since I made a video because this fucking action, if you can see it, since about last 2 weeks or so. No, 3 weeks. It's just been really just choppy. Um, just kind of been staying out in cash mostly. Trying to get some short scalps. Hesitant to play some longs. And I just want to go over some stuff that I'm seeing in the market right now. And yeah, let's kind of get into it. We're looking at Bitcoin, Finex, daily chart. So we had this wedge that we popped out of. Like I said, the volume is like whatever. I want to see like a huge volume spike here, like all-time high volume spike on a daily before I get excited. Um, these bar patterns that some of you know about are just showing up over and over and over. We're getting a lot of wicks at the top, showing a lot of selling. I was had this this trend from the bottom. We were making higher highs off, and we broke down it, and we never retested it. And a lot of these significant trend lines do get tested again. And if we do test it again, I would expect 73, 75, maximum this 8,000 mark, where you have this point of control right here. I just don't really see the market doing that on its own. However, I could see somebody trying to pump this price and get a better positions, or sell off some coins, or trap some traders. I know a lot of people that may have went long around 65. So we hit 65, 61. I would. I'm planning on just spreading some shorts all the way up to 7 probably. But some of these indicators look good on the daily. We have a divergence on the RSI. Alright, so that looks good from that end. If you look at the TTM squeeze, we are tightening from the bottom. This was a significant level from a volume profile perspective. And yeah, I mean, if we fall here, there's not much price action over here, and this thing can just fall all the way down to 4,300 really easily. If these levels don't hold, it can take a big fall down. So, yeah. Such a significant level that I want to play along, but I would say that this area here, 75, 79, that's probably as high as this price is going to go. Maybe get some people excited with a inverted head and shoulders, and then dump some more this summer. If we look at this, also there's a divergence on this as well. The 3 day was what I like. The 3 day is showing a reversal print on the TTM, showing a bit of a divergence on the RSI. But we could have another week of chop. Weekly looking nice, but monthly is not so good. We have a cross on the monthly, MACD cross. But we just started the month, so this thing could change itself and come higher. But I really don't like that at all. I don't like that at all. And like I said, man, like if you're a trader, you want to be looking for some good shorts. 72 all the way up to 78. I would start probably get rid of your spot coins and scale them short. Or you can even do up to 68, 67. These areas really need to break with big support, but I'm just not seeing market interest really. And, looking at some other coins. EOS. EOS, I had this level for EOS 6,000, but this level could also hold and continue from here. But EOS has a lot of just fundamental mess with it at the moment. But the indicators do look good on this daily. We are cupping out. And, yeah, so that's where we are with this daily. Looks okay, but one thing I wanted to point out is that we have all these drawing tools. Is this point of control? We're so close to it, and we never really tested it before we took off. Not that it matters, but this I really like this entry for EOS. This $6 entry. Really like this entry. And if you look at the ETH chart, you can see the point of control here, 300, which I highly recommend going long on this 300 right here. We're like one leg down from that, even though that's a huge drop compared to EOS. If we're just playing based off ratios of drops, um, I would so close to this point of control. Like I really feel like there's one more drop coming. In the meantime, there could be a little bit of a move up, call it a relief rally or whatnot. It's optional to play it, but feel like a long term investor, I would keep some for a lower move down. I'm pretty sure it's going to come this summer. And when you look at Litecoin, yeah, this thing is taking a big shit. But if you look down here, you have a point of control at 56. What else did we have? Oh, there's a Bitfinex point of control as well. I think it starts from. No, we changed. Yeah, sorry, sidetrack. So yeah, you see those main three coins. Uh, how the point of controls are like right there. Like there's most likely going to be one more move down, and that one more move down I think would coincide with the move down to 42, 4400, where we kind of test this gap in the price. However, if we do hold this price, something that's interesting is that there is a gap here, right? And then what that would do is it would create another kind of like base over here, right? And then you would have a new base here. See what I'm trying to say? This is like my super bullish scenario where this and this, these two bases maintain, and from here we can paint a cup. And what I was thinking was, show you guys this. This is like my ideal Super Bowl perspective. I've shown this a lot. Pick it up one more time, bro. Like this parabolic curve. So you have this one base, two base, three base, a fourth base, and then a pop off. Uh, there's a good chance that we already had this, and this sell point was 20K, right? But I mean, if this holds, uh, that would be very interesting. However, it really has to hold this level, because if it doesn't hold this level, it invalidates that whole base theory. You know, so yeah. And they all kind of like had this curve. You know, that could be one base, two base, three base, four base, sell off, and then a full correction down. You get really wrecked. Just have to kind of wait and see at the moment. Um, yeah, so you could keep your type stop losses, or you could enter a little bit here and put some bids lower in case we test 5,900 from the top. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I know I'm not making videos as frequently as before. It's just because the market is just shit, and yeah, not much is happening. It's just these bark patterns over and over. And your best bet is to look for shorts. And, yeah, I do like this short here, 75, 8,000. If we do continue up, I'd be really shocked if we broke above 8,000. We stayed above 8,000. I just don't really see that with this diminishing volume every month, right? Like if you just look at this monthly chart, you lose kind of hope in the bigger picture. It's descending. So I think for this to turn around, you need to see on a monthly something like this, you know, like a big bar, even something like this, I would say. You know, just this massive bar of volume. Until I see this, I'm we're in a bear market. You need to see this reversal volume. Until this reversal ball volume uh, manifests itself, we're in a bear trend, and you should be closing your longs, taking profits, and you should be setting up shorts. You should be swinging shorts and scalping longs, if that makes sense. That's pretty much it. If you got any questions, add it in the comments. Uh, yeah, guys. Hope you guys are going to catch a nice short and make some good money in this shitty market. Peace.